one that
Wait, let me get it straight. So daddy gave us money to use and prepare food. Indomie, not even food. Because he was crying that crocodile tears, telling that he's hungry and all that. Have you eaten anything? Both of us, have we eaten something?
No, that's not like that used to do something. Like, maybe we don't know who will help us tomorrow.
Okay, preacher. Oh yeah. Better pikin. You don't know, you see you in this house. Munga, where are you? You see this house, you are going to suffer. Imagine, our daddy gave us 1,000 naira to use and prepare indomie. Not like we don't have shish in this house. And the 1,000 you still divide into two. You gave me 500 though. Because your little sister don't even tell you 500 for only one person, 500 for two of us. You see, it's not. I'm not even talking plenty. I'm going to collect it in 500. You see, you go hang in this house. They're just like, I shift.